All right, we are at the Griffin Family Nature Preserve in Evendale. We got a nice little map here of all the different trails. It's the first time here. We've got a little brief history here. I'll try to go over that a little bit later. Pretty interesting stuff here. So we'll get started. There were just a couple people here earlier, and it looks like they left. I thought I'd come here for my lunch. Not a lot of parking spaces. I'm guessing maybe 6 cars or so at the most. Couples, you can park on both sides. We're gonna go around the paved trail here. It's pretty cold. But that's kind of a nice little park. Thought I'd check it out. Saw it on the map. It looks like somebody disposed of a lot of pumpkins down along the creek here. We'll just keep moving. So it's kind of nice. Trying to get a little bit more active instead of just sitting around scrolling my phone. At lunchtime, I thought I'd get out and start taking some walks. All right, let's see what the sign said. The sign fell down here. All pets must be on leash. All right. So I'm not 100% sure about these roads. If these are actually, I didn't pay close attention to the map. We do have like a picnic table. I'm guessing those trails loop around. A little bit muddy, so I'm gonna stay off of that. We'll definitely hit that another time. It's just a very short little loop here in the neighborhood. But it is paved, so it's like a nice option for when the ground's a little bit wet. All right, well, we're on the other side of the loop. It is very breezy today. Breezy and cold. So we had some kind of a marker here. Don't know what that's supposed to mean. Kind of hard to read. All right. All right, so here we got the website for it, evendaleohio.org, the Griffin Family Nature Preserve. So, um, pretty, pretty interesting pictures here. It looks like some of these pictures are from the wooded part of the trail that we did. We kind of passed by it. We stayed on the paved trail today. It looks like they do have some pretty cool photo galleries here, some wildflowers that you can probably see different times of the year. And again, I just want to show the map really quickly. We parked off of Wise Carver Road, the small parking lot, and then we just were on the green trail, which is the paved trail. And that's like a quarter of a mile, so it's 0.27 miles, really easy, really flat. And then we did pass by this other bigger loop, which it looked a little muddy to me today. I didn't really want to I wasn't really dressed with my old shoes on to really take that route. But I would like to try it. Looks like there's a pond. You got the James Owens Creek Trail. It looks like 0.33 miles. There's a 0.15 mile pond loop, which is the purple going around the pond. And then it looks like you've got a Horncastle Trail. I'm not quite sure I understand why they broke this up like they did.